Hey everybody, it's Rhonda. And in this video, I am going to show you how to save your custom frame templates that you make in Canva so you have them to use over and over again, and also how you save them and prepare them to sell if that's what you want to do. Okay, I've had several questions about, oh, how do I save this and use it again? Um, Without having to keep removing images I add to it, and how do I sell it if I want to sell my frame designs that I make? So that's what we're going to do today. All right. I'm not going to go through the process of creating this template because we've done that in another video, and I will link that video in the description in case you want to watch how to make your own brushstroke frames. Um, so this video is all about saving it and getting it ready for sale if you want to sell your templates. All right. And it doesn't have to be brushstroke. It can be any templates you create in Canva. All right. So we have our 4-panel brushstroke template and we have it all finished, and I want to save this so I can use it over and over and over again. All right. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure I named it, and I did. It's 4-panel brushstroke. And I'm going to come over here to the right and I'm going to click on File. And I am going to select Move to Folder. And I am going to pick a folder to save this in. Now, if you don't have a folder, you can click the bottom here and create a new one. But I already have a folder called Canva Templates, and that's where I want to save it. All right, so I'm just going to click on Canva Templates and say Move to Folder. And my 4-panel brushstroke has been put in my Canva Templates folder. All right, so now that I have that done, anytime I want to, hold on a second, we'll go home. Anytime I want to make a new design, I can just come out here, custom size, pick the size I want. Let's say I want to make it 5,000 by 5,000. So I have a blank page here, and I'll just go to projects, folders, Canva templates, and I will look in here for my designs. And there is my 4-panel brushstroke. I'll just click on it and it will pop it right into my new design. Okay, so that's how you save it so you can use it over and over and over again. All right, now let's say I have this here and I want to sell this file. So I'm going to go up here and I have it ready and I want to name this. Let's do 4-panel brushstroke template, and we are going to sell this file. So I want to, again, I'm going to save this to another folder. I'm going to save this to my sales folder so I don't accidentally edit this, because once I have a link for it, I don't want to go in and edit this in any way and mess it up. All right. So I'm going to go over here to File, Move to Folder, and I'm going to put it under Template Sales. All right. And I'm going to move it there. That way I know all the templates in my sales folder are ones I have available for people to purchase, and I don't want to be editing the original version of them. Okay. So I have this here, and in order to sell this, I need to create a link to it for people to access. So I'm going to go up here to Share, See All, and I'm going to click on Template Link. And I will create the template link, and I'm going to copy that. And I'm just going to paste that into a little text document I have right here, because I'm going to need that in just a few minutes. All right. So we're all done here. We have the link created to this design. So I'm going to go home and I am going to do a new file, and I'm going to use the flyer portrait 8.5 by 11. Okay. Now you can make this as simple or as fancy as you want. Okay. I am going to simply give this a background. Don't want to, going to give it a background, and then I'm going to give it a frame, and that frame is going to, okay, I'm going to center that. Okay, so this is going to be a PDF file, and in this PDF, I'm going to put another little shape here, and I'm going to make this look more like a button, like a website button. And I'm going to put that right there in the center. I'm going to change the color on that. And I'm going to make that a little, there we go. And then above that, I'm going to add some text. And my text is going to say, thank you for your purchase. In order to deliver templates that you have made in Canva, you have to supply a link to that template, okay, which is what we copied and we put off into that text file so we could use it. So what we have to do is create a PDF that we can upload to our Etsy shop. So when you're selling digital products, you upload your files to Etsy. Well, instead of uploading the template, what you're going to upload is this PDF that will link to the Canva template. All right. So that's what we are doing here. We're getting our template ready for sale and for purchase in our Etsy shop or our own website, wherever. So I did this basic thank you for your purchase. And then underneath, I'm going to put, let me move that over here. You can access your brushstroke template at the link below. All right. And we're just going to stretch that out a little. And we're going to center that and put it right above our button. And then on here, we are going to add, click here to access your template. All right. And I'm going to make that a little bigger and we're going to make it bold. Okay. So now we'll click on this button here and we're going to turn that into a link very shortly. And just changing that a little bit. Okay. So now you have your button created and we're going to come over here and we are going to grab our link to that template that we just saved. Remember that? And we're going to select this button that we made. We're going to click on the three little dots and we're going to scroll down to link. And we are going to enter our link in there. And we're going to click done and done. So now when somebody makes a purchase from your Etsy shop, they will download this PDF file because now we are going to download PDF standard. Make sure you choose standard. Do not flatten. If you flatten, your link will not work. All right. So you got to make sure it is standard and none of these are ticked. Everything's blank. Then we'll hit download. And I am just going to save this right here. And that is our sales file. This is what gets uploaded to our Etsy shop. So then when somebody makes a purchase from your Etsy shop, they will download this file, and this is what they get. Okay. And once they have this open, all they have to do is click here. And now they have access to this template. It says a template created by Rhonda J was shared with you. Start designing now. And they would just click use template for new design. And now they have that template in their Canva account as well. All right. So that's how you prepare a template for sale. And that is also how you save it to a folder so you can use it over and over again. So like now, if I, let me go here and create a new design. So now I'm in here in a blank design and I want to use that brush stroke for myself. I'll come over here to my projects. I'll go to my folders. And remember, I saved it in my Canva templates. So I'll click there. And right here is my 4-panel design. So I just popped it in and I can use it over and over and over again. And I don't have to take the time, I'm not just editing the same file over and over again. I have a new one and I can just continue to add that to different pages if I want and make a bunch of designs at one time. It's up to you. But that's how you save them and how you prepare the PDF file to sell them as well. All righty. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.